Every man fears it. That moment when the woman he loves looks at someone else, and he doesn't know why. You can give her love. You can give her security. You can give her everything. But she still cheats. It's not always about lust. It's not always about boredom. It's something far more emotional and far more dangerous. Today, we'll uncover the real reason why women cheat. And once you understand it, you'll never look at relationships the same way again. Men often believe women cheat for the same reasons they do: desire, opportunity, curiosity. But the truth is far deeper. Women rarely cheat for physical satisfaction alone. They cheat because of what they're not getting emotionally. A woman's heart and her body are connected. When she starts to feel unseen, unheard, or emotionally disconnected, that's when the danger begins. It doesn't happen overnight. It starts quietly. A moment of loneliness. A thought that says, "He doesn't see me anymore." When those feelings stay long enough, she starts looking for connections somewhere else. It could start with a message, a compliment, a conversation that makes her feel alive again. And that's where most men miss it. They think cheating begins with attraction, but it begins with emotional neglect. A woman's greatest emotional need isn't security, it's recognition. She wants to feel chosen, not just loved. When that feeling disappears, she starts to fade emotionally, even if she stays physically present. You might notice small changes first. She laughs less. She's distant. She's always on her phone. And when you ask what's wrong, she says, "I'm fine." She's not fine. She's starving for attention, for presence, for a feeling that she still matters. If another man makes her feel seen again, even for a moment, it awakens something inside her that's been asleep. And that's how emotional cheating starts. Let's break down the truth most men never see. 1. Women cheat when they feel emotionally invisible. You might be loyal, hardworking, and loving, but if she feels emotionally disconnected, she'll start searching for energy somewhere else. Women crave depth. They want eye contact. They want to be listened to without judgment. They want to feel that you still desire her, not out of habit, but out of passion. When that disappears, the door opens. 2. Women cheat when they lose admiration. A woman's attraction is tied to respect. When she stops admiring you, her emotional bond starts to weaken. Maybe you stopped leading. Maybe you became too passive. Maybe you let life dull your fire. She doesn't cheat because she wants another man. She cheats because she misses how she used to feel around you. If another man makes her feel that spark again, she starts to confuse it with love. 3. Women cheat when they're emotionally unfulfilled. Many men give love in the way they want to receive it, through acts, money, or protection. But women feel love through connection. They want your attention, your curiosity, your emotional presence. When you stop providing that, another man who listens, even for 5 minutes, can seem irresistible. This isn't about looks or status. It's about emotional chemistry. Women cheat when someone finally gives them the emotion they've been missing. 4. Women cheat because they're running from themselves. Sometimes cheating isn't about you at all. It's about her insecurities, her fear of aging, of feeling unwanted, of realizing that love doesn't always feel like a movie. When she starts to feel emotionally empty inside, she uses attention to fill that void. And when attention isn't enough, she crosses the line just to feel something again. 5. Women cheat because it feels like freedom. For some women, cheating is a form of rebellion. It's not about the man, it's about control. After years of playing the good partner, she wants to feel independent, powerful, desired again. The affair becomes her escape. It's her way of saying, I still have power. I still matter. But what she doesn't realize is that false freedom eventually destroys her peace. The truth about women cheating isn't about temptation. It's about emotional disconnection. When a woman cheats, she's often not trying to hurt you. She's trying to feel alive again. But that's the cruel paradox. The thing she does to feel alive kills the very love she needed to survive. So what can men learn from this? First, never assume love will keep her loyal. Love isn't enough without connection. Attention isn't enough without admiration. And effort isn't enough without emotional depth. Be the man who listens even when she's quiet. Be the man who leads with calm strength. And be the man who makes her feel chosen, not just once, but every single day. Because once a woman stops feeling chosen, someone else will make her feel that way. And by the time you notice, it might already be too late. If you truly want to protect your relationship, don't focus on what she